All right, so we'll take a little side tangent here. Since Robert's not here, we usually do a Robert asks us a question about cigars type deal. So he learned, and somebody learned with it as well. But since Robert's not here, we actually put out a question to our Leafcutter audience to see, if they wanted to ask a question to Zack's beard of knowledge. And we put it out there to be, anything. They can ask anything. It could be about cigars. It could not be about cigars. It could be about, what soup it had today, because it is a beard after all. It catches all the soup. But we did have a question come in. And it was, why is Andy such a dick?
Because he's knowledgeable. And knowledgeable people are allowed to be dicks.
Thank you, Aaron. You're my hero.
See? It already took it over for the beard.
I mean, it's probably a better answer than what I had.
A better answer than I would have given it. Because I'd have been like, he's just a dick.
So
it takes
Aaron's
one to know one.
Knowledge.
I did read some of the questions, and I was kind of hoping you didn't ask that one, but but I'll try to answer it. Andy's a dick because he cares enough to tell you the truth.
Just top tier.
Okay.
And sometimes the truth hurts.
Right.
It makes me sound like a dick.
It does, and it comes down to the presentation of it too. Like, not to jump in on that, but I get called that all the time. It's not that I'm trying to be a dick. It's one, I'm 41. I've been through more shit in life than most people could ever dream of. I don't have time to bullshit you. I care enough about you to tell you the truth right now, no sugarcoating it. I cannot be held responsible for you not taking it the way I'm saying it. I also am fueled with, I don't care. So I'm going to tell you, you either deal with it or you don't. But there is something to how you say it. It's really not what we say. It's how you say it.
That's how you say it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I heard a guy say one time, and I say this several times. Everybody on the podcast has heard me say it probably, at least directly or indirectly. Offense is something that you take, not something that you give. So it's the person listening that is maybe offended. That's kind of on them to deal with it. So
but it seriously does come down to how you say it. Like, we're all sitting here right now. Be like, hey, fuck you guys, right? Nobody's gonna take offense to it. But if I look you dead in the eye and I say, hey, fuck you, you'd be like, oh, we got a problem. It's just how you say it. It's the tonality of how you say it.
Absolutely.
So
all of that is true. Just being the Andy we're talking about, Grimbles.
Huh?
What?
Who? What?
I know where you sleep.
What?
I know where you sleep.
I don't know who posted that, man. Whoever it was,
it was 100% Grim, and everybody knows it.
My kid could have gotten a hold of my phone, man. Like, I don't know. I don't remember doing this.
You drink a lot of Monster.
Drink a lot. Whatever. I have a
problem.
problem
For the whole thing.
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
All right.
A lot of pizza, a lot of wings, and a lot of Monster, according to my parents.
There you go.
Yeah.
Go.
According to polls,
and the belly does show.
Is that why your camera's up so high?
Yeah. We like to say he's in great shape. Round
is a shape.
Round is a shape.
Rotund. So I do believe we do have the opportunity to test Zack's beard, though, because there was a question that came in that was fantastic.
Mold.
It's mold.
Is it mold or
God
plume?
damn it up again.
You asking me?
Yeah, you're welcome to chime in on this.
Yeah, you can weigh in on it.
Yes, Aaron, please weigh in on this, because we got a divided house here.
The house will always be divided. You either have the people that know or the people that don't. And the people that know that it's Plume. However, Plume is a form of mold, but it is an ingestible form of mold. You'll know that it's mold when you see white blotches all over the cigar. When it's Plume, it's more of a dusting, which means that it hasn't quite turned over to full-blown mold yet. But the environment to create Plume is just nobody knows. You could literally have a cigar in your humidor that has Plume and a cigar right next to it that has full-blown mold, and nobody can articulate why. But at the end of the day, it's mold. It's just how do you want to view it?
Well, Plume sounds a lot better than moldy cigar when you're selling them, I assume.
Right. Okay.
If you look at a cigar and it's got white blotches and it looks like that cigar has the herb, don't smoke it.
The champion.
If
Fair.
it needs to see a doctor, there's a
Does your cigar need penicillin for its penicillin? Cool.